Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we have something truly special for you: the Creathome 3D Shining Daisy Wreath License Plate Frame. If you're looking to add a touch of personality and style to your vehicle, look no further, because this is the best unique license plate frame available in the market. What sets this license plate frame apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. First off, take a look at the design. Crafted with precision and creativity, this frame features a stunning 3D daisy wreath that wraps around your license plate. But here's the kicker: it's not just any ordinary design. The daisies are adorned with colorful glitter, adding a pop of vibrancy and energy to your car. It's like bringing a little piece of summer sunshine wherever you go. Now, let's talk about quality. This license plate frame is made of pure zinc alloy metal, ensuring durability and longevity. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion. This frame is built to last. Plus, installation is a breeze. With pre-drilled holes and included mounting screws, you can have this frame securely mounted on your vehicle in just minutes. No special tools required. But wait, there's more. Not only does this frame elevate the look of your car, but it also fits perfectly with standard 6x12-inch US and Canadian license plates. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, this frame is designed to complement any vehicle. And with its universal fit, it makes for a great gift for friends and family who love to personalize their rides. In conclusion, the Creathome 3D Shining Daisy Wreath License Plate Frame is the ultimate combination of style, quality, and functionality. With its eye-catching design, premium materials, and easy installation, it's no wonder why this frame has garnered rave reviews from customers. Don't settle for ordinary. Make a statement on the road with this exquisite license plate frame. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.